all set.
All right, we are going to build a playlist, and per the instructions that I gave you in class, we essentially are just going to take the structure of putting 4 recorded elements in each hour. I'm going to add those 4 recorded elements. They're the same in each hour. Most of you are doing 2-hour shows. So there's going to be a total of 8 elements that I'm going to add in real quick here. And so we're going to start with 0098, and then we're going to add 00105, 00099, and then 00105, and I'm going to repeat the process again here. There's 98, there's 105, there's 99.
You're just dragging and dropping?
Yep, I'm dragging them from the left-hand side and dropping them on the right-hand side. And so now I should have 8 elements in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In between these elements that I just added, I'm going to add songs, and I'm going to put 4 songs in between each one of these elements. So between 0098 and 00105, it's actually 00098 and 00105, I'm going to add 4 songs. I'm not going to be real particular on the songs I'm adding. I'm just going to go ahead and grab some randomly here and throw them in. Let me go to like somewhere in maybe the 8,000 or so, 10,000. Okay, here we go. So here we go. Now what I will do is if I click on this 105, that gives me kind of a mark, and if I just throw songs on top of it, they will populate above it. See what's happening here? I'm dropping them on the one that's blacked out, and it just keeps adding it to above it. That's one way to do it. You can put it wherever you want to, though, okay? So I've added 3. Here's the 4th. And those 4 songs are now between 0098 and 00105. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll just scroll down a little bit more and grab some other ones.
How do you get rid of one if you make a mistake?
All right, I will show you that. Let me add these in.
That is the right thing.
Okay, so let's say I didn't want this one called The Way You Love Me by Faith Hill. I just hit delete here, and it goes away. All right? So adding is just dragging and dropping, so I'm going to replace that with this one here, and now I'm going to go ahead and add 4 more songs, and I'm going to stop after the 4th segment that I fill, okay? And let's go down and add the final one here. And again, I'll just go down here and grab some other ones. So we're just repeating the process. We put the structure in, and now we're just adding the music into it. And so I've essentially built a playlist that is now approximately an hour long that has 2 IDs and 2 promos in it, okay? The second hour, we would just duplicate the process. So it's time to save this. I will click on Save down here. It pulls this up. Let's save it in HD2. That's the group. Let's call it Sniff Playlist. I want to just P-L-I-S-T, okay? Sniff Playlist. And I'm going to save it all caps. That's how we do it, SDS. My initials, DS, and then today's date is
10-10.
So I'm just going to do 010 because it only takes 8 characters. So I got rid of the 1 in the month of October, all right? If it was September, it would say 910. So it's saying 0, okay? Same thing for November, it would say 110, okay? You're the only one that really needs to know that because you're the one that's going to do it. I can put the air date down here. I can just add it as 10-10-18, okay? So all the information is there. I hit save. Now my playlist is now saved in ENCO. Over here, I need to add my playlist. This song that's playing just ended, and now it's time for my show to start. And so I'm going to go ahead and unload the playlist that's playing. So the process for that, again, let me cancel it so you can catch it on video and you guys can see this. I'm going to click right here where it says playlist. The 1010 playlist is playing, right? 101018 M1 playlist. M1 stands for Music Station 1. I'm going to click on that. When that happens, it brings up the date. It's in blue. If I hit enter, it opens up a dialog box here and says, what do you want to do? Refresh, reload, unload, save, cancel. I want to unload this playlist. It says, you sure? Unload this playlist, question mark? I hit yes, and it all goes away. You can see that the same song, Leaving Las Vegas, is now repeated, and it's just going to keep playing over and over again because that's the only thing that's left in the deck. All right, but I need to load that playlist I just built. So I got to scroll down to SDS, and if I type in, I think if this is on the right thing, it should let me get to SDSDS. SDSDS. Okay, so here we go. There it is, SDSDS 010, right? Everybody see that?
Mm-hmm.
It's right there. And if I hit return, it now has loaded this playlist. There's the first element, SDS ID rotator. There's You'll Be in My Heart, the Phil Collins song, Son of a Preacher Man, Forever Your Girl. They're all loaded up here, ready to start playing. When Leaving Las Vegas by Sheryl Crow ends, it's going to play this playlist back. Got it? Mm-hmm. Now, I'm going to unload this playlist and put back the playlist that I was at the same point that I was. Okay, this playlist that I'm putting in, it's going to start right at the top of the playlist because it's my playlist, right? When we reload back in what's called the unattended playlist, we have to get it to the time of day. So the time of day currently is 8:55. So I want to go ahead and get the 1010 playlist in here. So I got to unload this one. I click on it. I hit the return bar. I say unload. Yes, I unload it. Now we can see that Sheryl Crow's back in here repetitively, right? There's nothing in the deal. This song is just going to keep playing over and over again unless we load a new playlist. So yeah, let's load a new playlist. We click on the playlist again. We scroll down to today's date, which is 10:10. I guess if I just type it in, 1010, there it is. Hit return. What happened? Oh, I see. I got to click on it. There we go. And now I got to go to 8 o'clock. So I click on 8 o'clock. There's Leaving Las Vegas right there. Let me do this. I'm going to go to 9 p.m. And I'm going to just scroll backwards a little bit here. And I'm going to grab Crazy and drag it over here. And now we're back in sync with where we need to be. I hit the position lock. And now the station's going to just continue to run, and it will change to tomorrow's date when it's done. All right, so now you guys get to do exactly what I just did, all right? And you're